The man lying in the chair was a clone. Kevin stared at his other self with wide eyes. He couldn't believe his eyes. This clone's ear piercings. The ear holes of this clone were exactly the same as his own. Seeing his own cells being cultivated to produce another person, Kevin regretted it a bit. Thinking about his wife and son, to live with a clone in the future, Kevin's heart felt very bad. When he returned home, he wanted to tell his wife that he was terminally ill, but after seeing his wife and son, he couldn't open his mouth in any way. Then he told his wife a lie, that he had to go on a business trip because of his work. He had to go on a temporary business trip. The next day he came back to the cloning test site. He decided to synchronize his memories into the clone's brain. After a full day of copying and pasting, the clone had been successfully awakened. He became the real Kevin. The only difference between this clone and his master was a black mole on his hand. Kevin came to the lab once again. He saw the clone talking with the director. It was as if he had taken everything away from him. Then the dean let the two of them officially meet. Kevin looked at him as if he was looking in a mirror. The two of them were very awkward. When they were eating together, they both felt a little redundant with each other. Next they needed to proceed to the next step, and that was to have the clone and Kevin's wife to have a video call. The dean repeatedly asked them both whether they were mentally prepared or not.